G'day Struthlings, just trust me, you don't want to go down the rabbit hole of the dark web and search for Sonic Pump Studios. You might end up with a blackhead vacuum. Okay. Hello buddy, hellos, what's going down? It is time to check out, upon your request, yes, oh my gosh, did I get it wrong with that video and sound quality yesterday? But yeah, Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars. This is a live rehearsal, and Sonic Pump Studios put this out, this video I've got, so yeah, you know what? Cheers to you all for letting me know about it. Let's get into this reaction, because I believe this is pretty freaking lengthy. So we've got the, what have we got here? We've got about the line of the, 14-minute mark. Okay, I'm not worried about that. I hope you don't mind. I didn't want to split this video up and do a second, or anyway, you know what I want to do. I want to get straight into this track, and thank you once again. I'll be putting up all your wonderful comments, and please subscribe if you want to. I appreciate it. And also with the comments, you can leave music comments, suggestions, whenever you want. I'm always keen to check out more stuff, but yeah, when I get on a bit of a roll, I obviously want to, sometimes the first reaction video ain't the best to a new artist you've never heard before, but yeah, hopefully you get to redeem yourself in this situation with Sonic Pump Studios. Alrighty, this must be pretty damn good. I mean, so many people were on board with just letting me know that, like, yeah, for the truth, come on man, why didn't you check this out? So but yeah, okay, appreciate your time. Just pausing for that 3, 2, 1, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, we got some explosions with no sound. That's not good sound effects, man. You could put something in. Okay, here we go. So this is a live rehearsal, or just been captured with. Ooh. Maybe not totally live. I don't think the drummer could be doing that in slow motion that well. Or I could be completely wrong and he's that talented. That looks a bit better. Cheers again, Struthlings, for letting me know about this track. That up. Full sound, great guitar work, drummer's going nuts, great opener, well done. Okay. Significantly very different to what I was listening to. That was freaking sweet. What a section vocally and musically. Aghast. That was killer. What other surprises? Well, bring the chunk, fellas, why don't you? Thank you. This is Sons of Winter, yeah? This is, sorry, just making sure. Okay, digging the screaming voice. Things in like a Mario game, man. Wow. Well, masters of their instruments, I believe. Oh, they'll never say that, but yeah, definitely cruising along the fretboards and Christmas, the drumming. Kind of waiting for like a vocal surprise between everyone. Ooh. Sonically, we got a bit left and right there. Oh, we go. Sonic shit going on here, people. Strong rehearsal. Gosh. No room for any slowness in this track. Oh, gosh. A little bit of the keys there to help out. Ooh, okay. So you got acoustic sounds with electric. So this is the crossover into Sons of Winter and Stars. So Stars, help me, people. Half a minute. Bloody hell.
soft and cold, die cast down, so weak, frozen link, the dancing spirit calling me to join in the cosmic train. The silence is tempting me now. We are the sons of winter and stars.
What?
We've come from a far beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars
Oh,
until
right. I got nothing to say. Straight like that. This is amazing music, man. Well produced. Almost to the side of overproduced, but yeah. Oh. In fact, they can all hear themselves perfectly. They know when to play loud and when to cut that shit out and get the other person's playing. Wow. Changes are amazing! How do they freaking do that shit? Who's doing the bass voice there? Seeing their faces. Putting it all out there. Oh. They give their fans like a bit of time to come down for a second, but nah. Full frontal. Boom. Now he's bringing it all. Oh, is that's the title of that? That's the whole track? They did finish it off with the somewhat. Yeah, lads. Well, freaking done there. yeah, sound quality was freaking amazing, people. I understand, and that was a great video too. So yeah, filmed in Helsinki, and yeah, I guess I can only say thank you very much once again. Jeez. It was just so, yeah, the whole lengthiness of the track obviously gets you a little bit, got a little bit muddled there, and was sort of like, when that ballad changed up moment, I was definitely chilling out and got yeah. Anyway, I was just sort of like, I was feeling the moment, feeling the music, and they brought it back so freaking suddenly. It was like straight back into the growling, and okay, Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars, live rehearsal, which wasn't a live rehearsal, which has been remixed to make all sorts of sounds in that track. I've got to go listen to it again. But this has been lengthy over here on my end, so appreciate your time, and thank you for letting me know about Sonic Pump Studios. I will be checking out more tracks if there is anything else from them. You will all let me know, I'm sure. So okay, subscribe if you want to once again, and leave all the comments about this track and what I should know more about, and appreciate your time more than anyone else I can imagine right now. It's just sort of like great to go down to the comments and have people let me know honestly their opinion about what's going on with what I'm trying to achieve over here, which is basically reacting to good tracks that I've never heard before, obviously, but I want to make sure that it's a video and a sound quality that's going to be awesome for you to listen to out there as well. Okay, peace out, use rock, you know it. Laters.